Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you a extension for cursor IDE. So it's basically a very popular extension. It allows you to actually show the design mode right in your cursor IDE. So if you build any sort of application, you will be able to see their design in real time. So the extension name is SuperDesign.dev. If this is their official website, if you go SuperDesign.dev right in the browser itself. So this is an open source extension and you can directly install this extension inside your cursor. So I've already installed cursor. So just simply go to view and extensions and right here simply search for this extension, which is Super Design. And now this extension will come right here. Click the install button. And once you install this, so the extension is just installing, so just wait. So now it is actually enabled right here. So now if you simply select right here, this tab will come Super Design. So right here, welcome to Super Design. So your AI powered canvas for rapid UI exploration. So first of all, simply enter your email address to create an account right here and click on get started. After that, it will now show you this prompt right here. You basically write any prompt here, and after that it will automatically construct the user interface of that application. So let's suppose I want to say build a UI for advanced scientific calculator. So now if you just see the magic right here, so it is using the latest model, which is Gemini 2.5 Pro, Claude, Sonnet, Opus. All these models are available to you. So right here, if you see, and just send out this request right here. So now what it will do, it will actually, so you just need to configure this if you are using Claude here. So just replace your API key. So you can select open router, select it, but API key is not a. So now for configuring the API key, so what you just need to do, go to open router, which is an easy way by which you can use any AI model for completely free. Simply go to this website, just log in with your account, go to keys section and just create API key. Just copy this and simply paste it. Just select the model first of all. Let's suppose we are simply paste. Yeah, so this one. So you can see open router API configured successfully. So now if you ask, so now what it will do, it will try to generate the UI for this advanced scientific calculator. So now just wait, it's generating. So right here it is asking for your, so this is your UI component and the design philosophy, can simply say. So this is actually the theme right here. The files are saved at design iterations. So if you open your files, design iterations, it has created this super design. So it basically automatically created, you will see this automatically all these files for you. This is the actual CSS file here. And what you can do, you can even install one more extension right here to see the live preview. Simply also install this extension live preview. So just click install. So this will actually show you the side-by-side preview of the actual application which is generated. So now once you do this, you go to this file here, show preview. So now you can see it is actually generated this nice little UI for a simple scientific calculator. If you see, so in similar way we can actually ask any sort of thing from this. Again, go to this, and now I will simply say build a simple UI for video chat app. So again, it is using the DeepSeek. Uh, this is important to know. It is using this model, which is completely free. DeepSeek. It is not using the Claude or the Gemini. If you want to use them, you just need to replace the API key. So you can use any model. It's totally your choice. So once you install Cursor, this is a very awesome extension. It's also available for VS Code as well. If you don't like Cursor, and if you like VS Code, simply again go to extensions, just type SuperDesign, and right here install SuperDesign and AI designed agent for your IDE. So once it is installed, it will show right here in the sidebar section. So you simply write the prompt, and based upon that, so you can see that again you repeat the same process, enter your email address and everything. It will do the same for VS Code as well. So now again it generated all the files. So this is your video chat. So just close this. So it created a very basic interface for your video chatting kind of an interface. If you don't like the result, you can definitely change the model as well, because this is the DeepSeek model. It is using the Chinese free open source AI model. So the result may depend upon which model you use. So open router. If you now use Gemini 2.5 Pro, so if I say build a Google Drive UI clone, so yeah, so for this API key is required. So some models are free, some are paid. So you can now use this Quen model, which is totally free. I think it's a open source model. So build a Google Drive UI clone. So now it is generating this UI for you. So just notice any sort of difference. So this is a very good extension, guys. Definitely check out this. It simply writes the prompt and automatically generates the UI for you. So side by side you can see the result, and it shows you the HTML, CSS and JavaScript of your. You can integrate inside your cursor and also in VS Code. So as you can see right here, it is generating the UI for you. So if you check now, it created this UI for you, and so I think it's looking very good. You have this search bar, then we have a bunch of files as well, and same we can do this. Let's suppose just again So in this easy way, guys, you basically write the prompt here, and after that, I can say build a Google homepage clone UI. So, so I'm just showing you all the examples here. So just write the prompt, and then automatically your UI design will be generated, all the HTML, CSS code. So this will solve and save a lot of time. If you are not a good designer, then automatically you tell the AI what sort of design you want. Automatically this extension will generate the. You can check out their documentation as well. So is it a free and open source? You can see definitely yes, yes, yes. We are open source project. It's also provided their GitHub link. So so they are completely open source. For just using the premium AIs, you do need to have the API key for that. So now I think it generated. So it is writing the file here. So now if I open this Google homepage, so you can see that, guys, it actually generated this Google homepage, which is looking quite nice. This is a UI. So in this easy way, guys, you can use this extension to generate UI design from just a prompt. Definitely check out this extension, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.